Welcome back to 101 Poems of Manipur, poems written by authors of Manipur. We are on poem number 8. The name of the poem is June 18. It is written by Rajain Khumukcham. It is taken from the book Behind the Curtain. It is translated in English from Phijang Amagi Marumda, and it's translated by K. Kuladhaja. June 18. Do you come again today, negligently, carrying the message of love, powering down the monsoon rain? Even though you come, don't wear the red cloth, don't breathe the hot air too, don't bring the iron rod too. Waiting for you for reception in the dockyard between hill and plain, for your good omen. Why do you worry for a day memorable? Do you think it wouldn't feel pain in self-punching on the chest, waiting for you for reception in the dockyard between hill and plain? Change your red dress, let us save from millions of pain. Returning home is an ordinary phenomenon. Nobody could hamper, so we return. We couldn't carry gold or silver, any wealth. Don't shout with all your strength and vigor. Oh, June 18, please make a land of peace. This was written on 17 June 2006 by Rajain Khumukcham, and it's translated by Konsam Kuladhaja. Again, a poem showing the scenario of Manipur, June 18. So right now it started raining. Thank you for tuning in. Keep tuning in and keep sharing the poems of Manipur. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye. Thank you.